Hi, everybody. Welcome to Math 106 Accelerated Pre-Algebra this summer, 2023. My name is Mr. Chan, and I will be your instructor for this class. So thank you so much for clicking on 106 Welcome to Syllabus video. So in this video, I will show you how to navigate your D2L within this class, explain the syllabus, and I will go over, at the end of this video, I will go over your first assignment called the homework syllabus. All right, so as an online class, your attendance is taken by completion of your graded assignment submitted each week. So keep that in mind as we go along this semester. Therefore, to be counted as attending the course or present, you got to make sure you submit assignments. Okay, so the best way to navigate this class is actually go to the very top and click on content. Once you click on content, everything will be displayed. The very left column right here is a table of content. It shows you all the weeks and all the it displays all the weeks. So if I just simply click on topic 8 through 11, so generally speaking, every week, okay, the way how you proceed in this class is you print or copy down the lecture handout. If you click on the lecture handout, it will be much easier if you actually print these. So once you click on the lecture handouts, click on download. And you can actually open the lecture handouts. Once you open up the lecture handouts, then you can actually print your lecture handout from the Word document. Okay. Now, if you do not have printer at home, you can actually copy down everything that you see that's on the lecture handout. So once you print or copy down the lecture handout, you use the handout to watch the lecture video. So here are the handout for the week. Here are the lecture videos. Okay, so basically the handout is empty. So you will actually just fill in the handout as you watch the lecture video. Once you finish once you actually finish and taking notes on the handout while you watch the lecture video, you can begin to do your homework assignments. Every week, you are also required to turn in one note that you took. So the Dropbox, the name of the Dropbox tell you exactly which one I want you to turn in. So for this week, you will watch topic 8 through 11 lecture video and take notes on them as you watch the lecture video using the handout that you printed or copied down. But I only want you to turn in topic 11. Okay, the notes that you took for the topic 11. That's the only notes I want you to turn in for the week. So you will have you will have homework for every week, and you will have a notes taken Dropbox. Okay, you're turning every week. The very last week of class, there is no notes that you need to take, need to turn in, and there's no notes to turn in for the very first week. So if you just click around, you will see every week you have exactly the same thing. Okay, you have lecture handout that you need to print or copy down, the lecture videos that you watch and take notes on the handout you print or copied, and do your homework and turn in the notes that you need to take. All right, so that's how we proceed throughout the course. As you can see on the homework assignment, there's a start date, due date. Okay, so all the homework are due at the Sunday. At the normally homework are due on the last day of the week, or Sunday of the week. Be very careful. This end day right here allows you to make up your homework assignment at any time. So for this week, if you only did 2 out of the 4 out of the 5, that's okay. You can make up your homework assignment at any time before the class ends. Be mindful that the very last week of class is a very short week. Okay, class ends on July 27, which is a Thursday. Okay, so all the homework assignments, all the makeup assignment, okay, everything is due by July 27. Okay, so this is a short week. So hopefully throughout the course, you are not try not to fall so behind where you have a lot of homework to catch up to. Okay, once again, attendance is taken based on the homework assignment you turn in every week. So if you do not turn in your homework assignment every week, then you can potentially be dropped from the class. Our best way of communication in this class is actually through D2L instant message. You can also email me from D2L as well. However, if you do email me from D2L, when I reply back to you, that will go to your student email account. So with that being said, let's go to course information. Course information, these are all the things you need for the course. Some of the informations. All right, this welcome syllabus video is also here. Your syllabus is listed right here. In this class, you will not need to purchase a textbook. I use this OER textbook, Open Education Resource Textbook, for reference. So basically, as long as you print out or copy down the what's on the lecture handout and use a handout to watch a video, you don't really have to. There's really no need to purchase a textbook or even print this textbook. All right, you can click on instruct my content information right here. This video right here show you how to upload your notes taken. Okay, any handwritten assignments that you need to upload, this video showing you how to upload it. Okay, so most of the time students do figure out there are several different ways to upload your handwritten assignment, but the basic idea is to take pictures, okay, of the notes that you took. Once you took the pictures, email it to yourself, and then go to your email and save those pictures on a computer, and then upload into the Dropbox. Okay, and upload into the Dropbox for the week. That's generally the idea. That's what that video is trying to show you. But there are many different ways to go about doing that, how to upload the handwritten assignment. So the notes cannot be typed. Okay, you cannot just simply type out the notes. Okay, it has all your notes got to be handwritten. All right, this video show you how to use what we so-called a graphical equation. There are certain things, mathematical symbol you got to enter using D2L. So this video show you how to do that. And at the end of this video, I will also show you how to use graphical equation, how to view assignment feedbacks. Okay, so this video show you for the question that you got wrong on the homework, I actually do give you a feedback. This video show you how to actually find those feedback. All right, this video show you how to check for missing assignments. Okay, so toward the end of the semester, you might have several assignments missing. On this video, kind of give you a guide on how on how to find those missing assignments in D2L. How to use Zoom. This video show you how to gain access to your student self-service and email. So I show you how to log into your student NETC email and your self-service. Okay, NetTutor is our online tutoring service. So if you cannot get up with me, if you have a question and you cannot get up with me, you can always sign up. You can always sign up for this NetTutor, this online tutoring service. So once again, generally the way how we proceed in this class, every week is to print the lecture handout or copy it down. Okay, you got to copy everything down that's on the handout. Use the handouts that you copy or printed to take notes while you watch the lecture videos. Once you finish watching all the videos, okay, you begin to do your homework and turning one topic notes that you took. Okay, and name of the top and then which topic you're supposed to turn in. The Dropbox, the name of the Dropbox tells you which one to turn in. Okay, let's go over your syllabus real quick. All right, once again, my name is Mr. Chan. My office is on the Sherrod campus. Okay, here's my email address, and all my contact information is also listed under in D2L under instructor contact information. All right, this is an online class. All right, the course description, prerequisite. All right, what's required materials? You're required to use D2L. And the OER textbook that we are using here is the name. And of course, a calculator will be required toward the end of semester. If you don't have money to buy any scientific, if you don't have any money to buy a graphing calculator, you can always buy a regular scientific calculator. So in the lecture video, I actually show you, I actually recommend certain types of a scientific calculator, okay, that you can purchase. Here are our learning outcome. Course requirements, okay, so the topic within Within the week, you will print and copy down the lecture handouts first, watch the lecture video and take notes on the handout that you printed or copied, complete the homework, and upload the selected lecture notes taken into the Dropbox. Okay, make sure you put it in the correct Dropbox. All right, we have three types of graded graded assignments: homework, note taken, and final exam. All right. Your homework are already posted in D2L. The questions on the homework are related to the topic written on the handout, on the lecture handout, and topic discussed in the lecture video. All your homework only has one attempt, so once you submit the homework, that's it. That's a done deal. And you will actually be counted for your weekly attendance. And I do not drop any homework grade under any circumstance. All right, your notes taken. There are selected topical lecture notes each week for you to take and while watching lecture video, and you're required to upload the notes into the correct Dropbox. All right, so what I need you to do is write your name and the date you watch the lecture video in pen on the top right hand corner of every page that you're going to upload into the Dropbox. So once you took the notes, okay, and that's the notes that you need to turn in on the top right hand corner, just write your just make sure you write your name and the date you watch the videos, okay, and then on every page that you're going to turn in. Your weekly submission of the notes taken will be counted for attendance. All right, final exam is at the end of the semester. Let me go back to it. And there is an exam review. Okay, this, you don't have to watch that, sorry. There is actually an exam review. Please watch the exam review before you attempt the final exam, please. All right, here are the grading rubric for your homework and your final exam. So here are our grading systems. All right, your weekly outline pretty much outlines what will be happening every week. Okay, the assignment you're turning and which notes taken you're supposed to upload. All right, July 3rd, July 9th is an Independence Week, so there's no assignment during that week. So you'll be very so if you do have some missing assignments, this is a very good week to catch up on your homework. Okay, so once again, the very last week class is a very short week. The class actually ends on July 27th, which is a Thursday. Okay, which is a Thursday. Now let's go over the attendance policy real quick. Attendance for no shows. Okay, so if you do not complete what we so-called a syllabus homework, okay, which I will show you here in a bit, after the first week of the class begins, then you will be marked as a no-show. That means you never show up for class, you'll be dropped from the class. Now, if you do submit the syllabus homework, that means you are confirming that you wish to continue this course. So you will be bound by the following attendance requirements. So you must log in and complete one graded activity for each week to be counted as presence. Okay. So any student who failed to complete a graded activity for 2 weeks or 14 consecutive days, you can actually be dropped from the class due to an excessive absence. Okay. So be very careful when you get dropped from the class or withdraw from the class. Be very careful because it can affect your financial aid. All right. Student with disabilities, student with document disability and require accommodation, please contact the Dean of Student Service to discuss needs or concerns as you pursue an academic program and participate in campus life. The Dean of Student Service will provide guidance regarding the official documentation of disability and accommodation of needs. So if you do have a document disability and require accommodation, please contact the Dean of Student Service. He or she will provide guidance regarding to your official documentation of disability and or accommodation of needs. All right, so here are our policy for this academic dishonesty and honesty. FERPA, the Family Education Rights and Privacy Act statement basically says that all your educational record is being protected under this federal law. So it's not like your parents can just come up, can email me and asking me your grades or your attendance, things like that. All right. So let us come back to this welcome week. So for the welcome week, you only have two things you gotta do. This discussion question, simply introduce yourself, write at least 100 words, introduce yourself to the class, and please respond at least one of your classmates. All right. But what I want to go over with you here is the syllabus homework. Excuse me. I'll go over with you and then tell you what the answers are. So you can just simply copy it and then type it into your homework. All right, so these answers are very, very specific. So this is make sure you enter exactly what I asked you to enter. Okay. So question number one on the syllabus homework. Consider the following question. It'll be easier to write down the answer before entering inside the box below. So throughout this course, you will see this instruction a lot. When you do see this directions, please just write your answer on a piece of paper, and then it'll be easier for you to enter it. Number one, what is the best phone number to get in contact with you? So this is me asking you what's the best phone number to get in contact with you, just in case if you have not turning a grade assignment for 2 weeks straight, then I will actually text you, okay, from my Google Voice number just to ask what's going on and things like that. So when you see this direction, please use graphical equation to enter answers. Okay. So when you see this direction, I need you to click on the plus sign right here, click on equation and graphical equation. Let me just move it over. So number one, tell me your best phone number to get in contact with you. So once you enter the answer for number one, click on insert and press enter. And then for number two, the phone number listed in number one is a cell phone, home phone, or work phone number. So click on the plus sign again, click on equation, click on equation, graphical equation. So number two. All right, is it cell, home, or work? Just tell me which one is which, click on insert. Now, if you open up one graphical equation and typing a lot of answer, then click on insert, a lot of time you will not be able to see what you actually enter. There's something that's kind of weird. So for every line of insert, click on insert and then open up a new graphical equation for the next line. Number two, what are the best practice when using D2L? All right, so number one, please use a computer or laptop instead of mobile device. When you use a mobile device to do homework, you're not going to see this plus sign in order to use your graphical equation. So when the question is asking you to use graphical equation and you do not, then I will not count your answer as correct. Okay, I actually don't even read your answer. I just automatically mark it as incorrect. So when it says use graphical equation, please use graphical equation. Okay, when you use a mobile device, you will not be able to see this plus sign because the screen is too small. Therefore, you're missing out all the graphical equation answers. Please use Google Chrome. Google Chrome is the most compatible with D2L. All right, make sure your computer has Word documents. Okay, because all the lecture handouts are using Word documents, so it'd be easier to actually have Word document. If your computer does not have Word document, you can actually visit the office.com, which is the website to access your student NETC email. On that website, you can actually download Word documents, okay, onto your computer for free. And of course, use graphical equation to enter answers when it's asking you to. All right, the last day of the class is July 7th. July 27th, 2023. All right, can you email your instructor using personal email? The answer will be no. You have to email me through your student NETC email because personal email sometimes get blocked. Will be counted as spam. All right, how does a student go about withdrawal from a class? So this is actually more like how do you go? Who do you need to contact to withdraw from a class. You may contact the enrollment center. You can call them at 843-921-6900. You may contact the student service at the same number, or you can contact me using your NETC email, D2L instant message, or you can do the text message to my Google Voice. And my Google Voice number is listed under my contact information. So again, our number one way of communication is using D2L instant message. Then I use email, and the last resort, if I don't heard back from you from those two, I will actually do the text message. Okay, very, I seldomly do that, but if I have to, I will text you and see what's going on. What are the three types of graded assignment in this class? Homework, note taken, and final exam are the three types of graded assignments. What is the last assignment that need to be completed for the class? That will be your 106 final exam. Any student who failed to complete a graded activity for how many consecutive days will be counted will be dropped from the class for excessive absence? 14 consecutive days. All right, so the question number 9, I want to show you how to enter some of these answers, okay? Fraction, especially fraction and exponents, are a pretty big deal using graphical equation in this class. So let's go to plus sign, equation, and graphical equation. I'm gonna slide this over. So 2/3, okay? So you start up with a fraction bar right here. So we're under the very first tab, tapping 2, and click down here, typing 3. All right, the cursor is in the denominator, so let's go to use a right arrow key or just click right next to the fraction. Press enter, space, 3 1/3, 3 fraction bar, 1/3. All right, comma, space, exponents. So 4 squared, typing a 4 first, then the exponent, superscript, and the 2. Okay, that's all it is. All right, so once you finish your homework, syllabus homework, you can please submit to confirm that you want to continue this course. All right, so if you have any further questions about this class, please don't hesitate to email me, or you can message me in D2L, and we will keep in touch throughout the semester. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.